Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on our AUD USD, which is our Australian dollar to our USD. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at our trend on AUD USD. Our full trend, overall trend, is clearly a downtrend. This movement here was around 2021. Ever since then, we'll be having that bearish move on AUD USD. Now let's take a look at what market is currently doing, which is our current trend. We had this low, lower high, we had this lower low. Here it gave us an equal lower high here, which now serves as the supply level. Market has eventually given us this low. Here is the lower high. So once the lower high plays out finish, you'll be expecting another lower low. So above all, this week, you should be expecting market to give us a bearish move. But the lower high is still playing out. Once it plays out finish, then you can now expect another drop. Now on the forward time frame, so we should see it's here like this. You've gotten a rejection here, gotten another rejection here. There's also a rejection here. There's another rejection here. So what is market doing? Currently, market is ranging. So we would want to range with it. So once market comes to tap our resistance level, look for a sell opportunity back to our support level. That is what we should be expecting this week. So we should range with it until market give us a breakout. Once it gives us that breakout, I will give you guys the updates. So for right now, range with it. Follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link in the comment section.